Okay, so I will now teach you how to connect your Webflow website with Journalist AI. And to create this integration, you first need to come here to the Integrations tab, and you will click here to create a new integration. After that, we will select Webflow, as it's the platform we want to integrate with, and you will need to authenticate your Webflow by clicking this button, right? So we will click here, and if you have your browser connected with Webflow, okay, you will see here all your websites connected to your Webflow account, and we will select the website we want to integrate. In this case, I want to integrate this one, so I will select this website and click here to authorize the app. So after this, we will be redirected back to Journalist AI, and you will see that your API token is now connected. All right, so we can proceed with the configuration of the integration. In this field, to publish immediately, you can select if you want the posts to be published or to be sent to your Webflow as drafts, right? So in this case, I will enable the publish immediately because I want to publish an article and see it immediately on my Webflow website, visible to all the viewers, right? So after that, we will select the website, okay? And in this case, it's the one we authorized, so we will just select this one. For the Webflow domain, you will automatically load, all right? And now for the collection, we will need to select the collection where we have the blog posts, okay? So if I come here to my Webflow settings, right, and I click here on the CMS, okay, we will see, let me just move this, we will see that we have 3 collections in this case, and this might be different for every user, okay, but you should find the collection that has your blog articles, right? And in this case I called it blog posts, so it's super simple, but it might have a different name. So for the Webflow collection, I will select the blog posts. And now regarding the fields for the HTML, okay, you should also go to your Webflow and check and click here on the CMS. We select the collection that has the blog post, and we'll click here on the settings, okay? And you should have at least 2 custom fields, right? And for the HTML, you should select the one that has the rich text, because this will be the actual content of the article, the body of the article. So we have it named blog post, okay? So in the HTML field, we will select the blog post, the actual content, right? Now the same thing for the remaining fields. We have the title here, and for the title, I have it as name, okay? So we will select, let me select the name here. For the meta description, the same thing. I have this field configured as meta description, okay? So I will select it. Please note that all these fields might have different names because it's customizable, right? So you need to find the appropriate one on your own Webflow website. And now, finally, for the featured image, I will select the main image right here, which is right here. It's the main image of the article. It's the featured image. Finally, we can embed the frequently asked questions schema, and pretty much if you enable this, we will append an embedded code to the body of the article containing the FAQ schema. This is not mandatory, but in this case I will also enable it, and once we click on create, our Webflow website will be connected to Journalist AI.